In this video, I'm going to teach you how to master the look of Cleopatra. Although Cleopatra was estimated to be born around 69 BC, she still found her way to end up wearing makeup. I'm going to start by using a brown color and applying it on the crease and blending it out. The trick to this look is to continuously blend until you get the perfect shade. Just keep in mind that a little bit of product goes a long way. Going in with the angled brush and black eyeshadow, I'm going to just draw a line across my crease. And the line does not have to be perfect. Try making a winged liner with the eyeshadow. I'm also going to apply some off-white eyeshadow onto my brow bone. Be sure to blend the product onto your brow bone very well. Apply concealer onto the lid of your eye. Basically, by doing this, you'll prepare your eye for eyeshadow. Going in with a gold color eyeshadow, I'm going to apply it to the top part of the ending where the crease and the lid meets. Going in with a baby blue eyeshadow, I'm going to apply that onto my inner corners. I'm also going to apply it only halfway. Then I'm going to apply a royal blue eyeshadow and then line my eyes. Also line your waterline dramatically. Apply mascara onto the top and bottom lashes. Using an angled brush, I'm going to go in with black eyeshadow again and basically smudge that eyeliner we just applied. Next, I'm going in with the indigo color and applying that under the smudge part. Next, I'm going to apply eyeliner, but not onto my eyes this time. I'm going to actually create the Eye of Horus, which are those swirls that I'm doing right there. Apply your favorite lipstick and do your eyebrows a little deeper than usual. And there you go. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications. Hello everyone, I want to start off by saying thank you guys so much for watching all my videos. If you ended up liking this video, please do give it a thumbs up down below. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Till my next video, take care everybody. Be safe. Goodbye.